Hi, in this video, I'd like to show you how you can upload your AMS Ocean, ISF 10, and ABI Type 86 data in one file. So once you've logged into your account on your dashboard, you have an option to upload. So click on this button, and now you will see different options to upload your data, including the AMS Ocean, ISF 10, and Type 86 option. So when you click on this option here, you can basically upload your data from file, which will include all of these three submissions: AMS Ocean, ISF 10, and Type 86. And the first thing you will see is the mapping tool. This is a great tool for you to use if you would like to use your own template. You don't have to use our template, and you can use this mapping tool to map your own columns to our columns. But if you're using our own template, you don't have to go through these steps. And once you've done with the mapping steps here, you can go ahead and click review. And you'll see all of your data on this table here. What you can do is if you want to change any of the data sets, you can do it here. You don't have to go back to your file. You can also check if you have any problems with your data. We do have a data validation in place here. So when you click on this, it will show you the rows that have any issues. So the data validation will basically show you if you're missing any mandatory fields. For example, line item quantity is mandatory, so you can just go ahead and input that information here, and you don't have to go back to your file. And the weight is also mandatory, so you can go ahead and indicate your weight here. And then here you can also see the HTS number should be at the 10-digit level for your Type 86 submission. And I'm just including 9 here. So data validation is telling me that I need to include it in the 10-digit. You can go ahead and put one more digit here. So you can use the data validation first to validate your data before you upload your file. So now I can go ahead and double check, and as you can see, I don't have any issues. And you can also see the modifications. So any changes that you've made, you will be able to see them here. And then once you've done with the data validation process, you can go ahead and click continue and click yes. And now basically the system will upload my AMS Ocean, ISF 10, as well as Type 86 data. And what you can do is you can go to all of these three dashboards. So for example, go to your AMS Ocean dashboard. As you can see, I've uploaded 6 house bills under the AMS Ocean. Once you're ready to submit your AMS Ocean, you can go ahead and click send. Then you can go to your ISF dashboard. So these are the ISF 10 submissions that are under draft status. When you're ready to submit the ISF 10, you can just go ahead and click all of them to select, and then click send to submit it. And then you can also do the same thing for Type 86. If you would like to check your HTS codes, you can click on review HTS codes, and then as you can see, all of them are valid. You can also check if there are any invalid ones, and if there are any invalid ones, you can quickly replace them with the new HTS code and then click replace to replace them. Since everything is good to go, you can go ahead and basically click on this box here to select all of the Type 86 entries and then click send to submit to CBP. That's all for this video. I hope you found it useful, and thanks very much for watching.